A quiet revolution began with support, a story shaped by centuries of change. 10 secrets reveal how brass truly evolved. Secret 1. Ancient support began earlier than imagined. Minoan Crete, around 1600 BCE, used corset-like lifts. Egyptian women wrapped chests with linen bands. Greek women used the strophion for stability. Support began as ritual, movement, and modesty. Secret 2. Athletic women pioneered practical breast support. A 4th century CE Roman mosaic in Sicily shows bandeau brass. Greek runners bound chests for competitive balance. Archaeologists found sweat-marked athletic wrappings. Performance needs quietly shaped early garment design. Secret 3. Medieval Europe experimented long before modern patents. In 2008, Lengberg Castle in Austria revealed 15th century brass. Linen cups, lace trims, and stitched straps survived intact. Some resembled modern push-up structures surprisingly closely. Hidden wardrobes preserved forgotten tailoring brilliance. Secret 4. Corsets dominated from the 1500s to early 1900s. Whalebone, horn, and metal reshaped torsos dramatically. Doctors in the 1700s documented fainting from compression. Yet corsets symbolized status, discipline, and femininity. Industrial change increased demand for comfort and mobility. Secret 5. Modern brass emerged through rebellion and invention. In 1914, Mary Phelps Jacob patented a soft bra. She used silk handkerchiefs and pink ribbon ties. Her design freed women from rigid metal cages. Comfort became a political and personal declaration. Secret 6. World War I transformed fashion unexpectedly. In 1917, the U.S. War Industries Board urged corset abandonment. Metal saved from corsets built to battleships. European shortages pushed women toward lighter garments. Necessity permanently shifted global clothing habits. Secret 7. Brass evolved with shifting beauty ideals worldwide. China's Ming Dynasty favored flattened silhouettes centuries earlier. The 1920s flapper era revived the flat chest aesthetic. The 1950s introduced the iconic bullet bra for curves. The 1994 Wonderbra engineered dramatic optical lift. Each era redesigned the female silhouette entirely. Secret 8. Science reveals surprising, mixed conclusions today. Studies show brass reduce movement during activity. Sports brass protect tissue from repetitive strain. A 2013 French study suggested mixed long-term effects. Other research emphasizes anatomy and lifestyle differences. Evidence supports personalized comfort over universal rules. Secret 9. Cultures differ widely in bra usage patterns. Himba women in Namibia embrace natural movement proudly. Amazonian tribes use decorative coverings, not structured support. Pacific Island communities historically favored minimal garments. Climate, tradition, and colonial influence shaped adoption. Urbanization spread brass faster than cultural preference. Secret 10. The future moves toward personalized freedom. 3D scan custom brass reduce pressure points precisely. Smart fabrics adjust support dynamically throughout day. No-bra movements challenge outdated expectations globally. Women choose comfort, identity, and autonomy first. The story ends where self-determination begins.